omo na edu time no be a friend ban on drumming and noisemaking na I was say okrom na me tunu nye nti on fa chem on ko obi an yako okrom na Monday 26 June 26 June up to on the 3rd a friend ban on drumming and noisemaking alabami nti epese obia ya pedede asori for ya pomu chew asori for ya pomu chew na dia enu de bia no omboy na ya yenu sa Sunday omunya omunya mo sorry entumi kase they shouldn't worship, no, but they should do it quietly. Only one Sunday in the case of Nungua teacher epamuchel na omuhwemaye na omumi ye kabo na asonjemba Nungua mountain the areas na affected ni Klagon Lashibi Spinters Batona Sutruna Opoegono Kotobabi Lashibi Sakumo c'est ma frère Sakumo là et Sakumo eni Sangona Antwegono e bien Katamansu Santau Oyibi ni na ye Nungua Asasi they form part of the Nungua tradition area nti we say obia cooperate with us. They should cooperate with us. That's what we are saying. We don't want any fight because when we also go to their areas we comply whatever they say so you go ibi awon beka no eso any awon ni ebe yisu enti epa obi achew na musu omundisu mai keke na asubi bra na so that they live together, we live together, they live with us. We cannot live alone. Any town that develops, you cannot live without strangers coming into your area.
Since you are Uncrofa, Omube Aswadi, then Modibe.
Epamucho view. Say, own this one. You have a task force. You have a task force. Yeah, any police for, any assembly for, call rounds. Now, dear, on this one, Mranu Bachim, na Yachim, Mbra, I am free, and our police station. And here, Ubiacho. Now, those that have not been sent, say, ya frail, on can't task force, ya person, go for year groups before profile groups now omo call rounds say your friend in one traditional council your friend wants to your friend one say there be your person baby sir your chiwa your second one your di ubeba mra ni undi enti obia ngiso ebema on tax the crop from the tax force ebema on identification tax so that when they go around they will be easily identified that these are the people from the task force including the police and the assembly. Yeah.
When I do
normal say Bibia over to my friend number we 0244 688 561 and 0244 69 10 83 and 0244 25 38 15. These are the numbers that you can call in case you want more clarifications. Or in case of anything, you can call these numbers. We will straightly respond.
All right. Okay, thank you. Ban on noise making in your area.
That is a tradition since time immemorial, and we cannot afford to stop it. So that is it. That is the essence. It is a tradition for the guns. When it comes to homo, we have something called GBÆMLILAA, and GBÆMLILAA means that ban on drumming and noisemaking. So we are appealing with everybody, all and sundry, to cooperate with the traditional country, to cooperate with the stool, so that peace prevails. Now, many times, the church leaders or the pastors or the churches, we are appealing with them this time around that they should comply. In fact, they know it already. After Nungua here, we don't have that problem because they always comply. And we expect them to comply this time around again. We don't want things that happen at other places to happen in Nungua, and we don't envisage anything to happen. So we believe sincerely that they will still continue to cooperate with the town of the zoo.
Okay, what are the do's and what are the things you're supposed not to do during this period?
Noise making. You don't drum. You don't make noise. In fact, you don't make noise. You don't drum. You understand?
Including clapping?
Yes, including clapping. Clapping is noise making. Now the pops, they put their loudspeakers. These are all prohibited when it comes to the time. The time is on 26th. That is Monday coming. It will end on the 3rd of July. You understand? So this is it. We want everybody to cooperate with the Nungua, so to go through this process peacefully.
Right. It got to a time when some of the sports told us that they seek clarification from the traditional authorities. They pay some kind of amount of money to allow them operate, play the music that they want.
It is not like that. It is a tradition that everybody has to follow. So if you meet anything of that sort, just call the numbers that we are going to put on the screen. Just call the numbers and we will respond. We will tell you who will be there. Anybody who comes there to say that, we've sought permission from the stool and we've paid some money, it is a lie. It is not true. Tradition is tradition. We will not allow it to die, and it will not die. It is a tradition. We came to meet it, and we'll die and leave it. And others coming after us will also continue.
What are some of the areas that's going to be?
The areas are one. It includes Lachibi, Klagon, Okwegono, Batona, the estates here, Nungua estates, Kotobabi, Suchuna, what do you call it? Samona, Suchuna, Asopochuna, Sakumono, including Katamasu, Oyibi, Santa. These are all areas forming the Nungua traditional area. So when we are talking about ban on noise making, drumming and noisemaking, it affects all these areas. But people say, me, I'm not in Nungua. Who tells you are not in Nungua? You are on Nungua lands. So it affects all the places. Just one with they must cooperate with us. We want to play with them.
You never mentioned the Muslims who also call it.
Yes, the Muslims are included. When I say churches and mosques, they are all pleased. They are all part of it. They should give us that respect. We also, so that we also give them that respect. If we give them the respect, all the necessary respect that we have to give them, we give it to them. So they must also reciprocate. You understand?
How do we identify the task force that you sent?
The task force will be identified with tags. We'll give them tags to identify them. The police will have their names. We'll give their names to the police. So the police also will have a copy of the tags. So that when you are arrested and you show any time that will not correspond with what we have been given to you, which the police also has a copy, you will be dealt with by the law. Right. You know, we don't want a situation where people will group themselves. I talk so we are enforcing the ban. No, there is a procedure, there is a process, there's a way to go about it. The enforcement is in the hands of particular group that has been set up by the stool, supported by the police and assembly. Right. You understand? Yes.
And please, is there any sanctions for those who offend? Or those
obviously,
who contrary to?
Obviously, if you go contrary to what we are saying, the task force will arrest you, bring you to the palace, and the sanctions will be there for you. You understand? Or the police station, the sanctions will be there for you. You see, so even in law, they know it, you know it. There is, that is the tradition of the Ghana people.
All right. Yeah,
you were saying that the numbers, in case of someone.
Yes, I'm saying that in case of anything, you want more clarification or anything that happens there, you want to contact the office, you can call us on these numbers 0244 688 561. Then again 0244 688 561. Another number is 0244 691083. Then another number is 0244 253815. These are the numbers that you can call in the event or in case of anything.
Okay.
Now Thursday, let me add this one quick one. Thursday we have something we call Ayuchemu. Ayuchemu means that now people know you say Ajayeko. After 10 o'clock, Thursday coming. After 10 o'clock, everybody must be indoors. Well, there's a tradition that we, what do you call it? A rite that we need to perform, and we don't want anybody outside. That one we cannot tell you the details, but the issue is that everybody must be indoors by 10 o'clock. Everybody must be indoors.
Do that applies to the whole Nungua, or it has a particular place that it applies to?
That one applies to Nungua,
okay.
The Nungua Township.
Okay.
That one applies to the Nungua Township.
All right, so
and that one too, the police normally helps a lot. We block the main road from Tema. So any vehicle coming from Tema will be diverted to use the Adogono route through the estate to the police station. Any car coming from Accra will be diverted through the police station, through the estates, through Adogono to the barrier. That is how it goes. So the police will block the road from both ends, from the Accra side and the Tema side.
Okay.
So that no vehicle will come into town. Those days, what happens is that they are unaware. So people drive through town, and many a times it creates problems. You see that cars will be damaged, windscreens will be smashed, and things like that. But since we met with the police and adapted this system strategy about 4 or 5 years ago, we have no problem again. So that is it.
Okay, so from 10 o'clock to when?
From 10 o'clock, TDB, 5 a.m.
All right.
Can I ask a question? Please, I am on security still. During this period, check these things.
We are in collaboration with the police to check all these things, these social vices. Already, there's a plan underway, and you will very soon hear it. We will not allow criminals to create problems for us during this festive period. No, we will not.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too.